Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is June the 21st. Excuse me. We are out here in Cummings, Georgia. This is a new client that found me online, raved about my reviews. Actually, check this out. He said, Courtney, he said he called some other companies. Two other companies came up, gave him a quote. He did pay my in-home consultation fee. And he said, Courtney, not only were your videos and your reviews was a good selling point, actually one of your reviews was someone that I knew, and they had gave you I actually called them and they spoke very highly of you, and you did their floors about 2 years ago. So this is a new client, guys. He's moving into this home. Again, I came out last week, earlier this week, did an in-home consultation. His dad was here, and what we're going to be doing is screen, recoat with UV cure, and going to be doing his quartz countertops. Also, I just came from Cummings. I just did a beautiful, you guys are going to see it Wednesday. Home is on the Lake Lanier. Also going to be doing their wood floors, screen, recoat with UV cure, and also their granite countertops. So anyway, guys, the square footage here, this is a pretty nice size job. This job right here, and I just had someone just text me some pictures from Powder Springs, say he found me on YouTube. So I'm gonna call him back shortly. So let me show you guys what we are doing here. Beautiful day today. So this is Samuel, and what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a total about 1,700 square feet of wood floors, screen and recoat, and then we also have 14 stairs, and again the quartz countertops. So let me not flip this around. Let me turn on my my meta glasses. So we are in Cumming, Georgia. Red coat, UV. All right, so show you what we got going. All right, Tavares is moving those boxes. So we're gonna be doing these wood floors, guys. These wood floors are gonna look so amazing. He's had it painted. He had it painted. If you guys look really close, see all those scuff marks? This floor is really lacking finish. So we're gonna do a nice 2 coats on this floor, screen it down really good. Also going to be doing these quartz countertops. They feel really rough, really gritty. You can actually just see all that residue on them. Oh man, they feel, oh wow. Yeah, this thing needs a good cleaning. Wow. Guys, you just, look, listen, let's hear that. See that? That's just untreated, don't have a good sealer on it. So I'm so glad I'm offering this services because my clients love it. So so anyway, guys, I'm gonna be doing all of this downstairs. All of this, you see all those scuff marks? Man, all through there. This floor really just don't have any finish on it. I'm gonna be doing these stairs. And 4 bedrooms and a hallway. Here, 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 hallway, and this nice size master bedroom. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get some good before and after pictures. You see all that? See all that, guys? All right, time to get to work. Got light in here? Nope. Hallway. Yeah. All right. All right, guys, got the first coat upstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and do the countertops, so I'm gonna let Tavares do the stairs while I'm doing the countertops. But guys, again, you might can't see it from an angle, but these countertops are really in rough shape. They feel really gritty. Feel like they're also lacking sealer, and they're really dirty too. I mean, very dirty. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get these treated, clean them first. If you look really close, see all those smudge marks? All right, up, yep, all up in there. Yep. Yeah, real dirty. And plus, they've been having a lot of construction going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Look at the reflection now. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I get a picture of that. This little part right here. But look at the reflection. Also right here, the reflection right there. And let's see the reflection when we're done. See the reflection from the light? All right, guys, stay tuned. Good education. Look at that. You just tail. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at these floors now. Floors look so much better. But guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think there was no finish on this floor. If so, it was very little. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this second coat down here and downstairs. Got the stairs done. I let Tavares leave early. He's going out for the weekend, hanging with his girlfriend. And I am gonna go ahead and get this second coat down. But as you can see, floors look a lot better. And then I am gonna go grab me some lunch. Let the second coat dry, and what I was about to say, let the second coat dry. Oh, and then come back and UV cure. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get this second coat down. I also got the countertops done. They look amazing, so I'll show you that on the next part of the video. All righty. All right, guys, stay tuned. Oh yeah, these floors feel so much better. All right, guys. My one of my good network partners, Raphael. We actually got how many projects we got going on right now? About 2 or 3?
About 3.
About 3, and then we got a few more coming up. So anyway, on this job, is this white oak?
This is white oak.
Okay, I want to make sure. So this is the professional right here. This floor can be sanded, but I was telling my client, I took the pictures, he got some water stains here. He don't want to change the color. This floor is natural, so it's not stained. So Raphael was actually in the area doing a consultation for a client where Raphael is going to be giving some new floors, and then I'm going to be screening and recoating the downstairs. So Raphael went and got the measurements and the pictures for me. So I'm gonna, my client wants to know if these boards will need to be replaced. So we got this water damage right here, and then over here, Raphael. Also, I just did these quartz countertops. Beautiful. Yes, sir. And then over here, so this one's really lots of maybe some water damage from the, see all that?
It does not need to be replaced.
Okay, you can sand it?
We can send it down.
Okay, so let me ask you a question then. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. You guys can just come in here, sand it, and I can give you the same finish to put back on top, right?
Absolutely, because in here, I'm gonna have to sand on a straight line all the way. I can't just sand at one spot. It's gonna be obvious.
Okay.
So for the best results, this is a straight line all the way here.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'll go ahead and fix this as well.
Oh, gotcha.
It looks to me that this is a water issue.
Water issue as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, guys, I'm here with Mr. Gene. He's the dad of my client, Sam. Oh, yeah, look at those floors. Oh, yeah, there you go, Gene. Yeah, take your shoes off. Oh, wow, that looks good. That looks good. Yes, sir. Now, that water stain, guys, that's the water stain that Raphael is going to fix. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. All right, guys, what I'm going to do now.
You took photo?
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get my, now this is the water damage up here. This one actually doesn't look too bad. To be honest, you can rarely see it unless you look at it from an angle. So I'll let them decide that. Raphael's already gave him a price to fix that. So yeah, this looks really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my UV machine, start UV curing. Mr. Gene is going to leave, and I got the key. I'll lock up, lock the door, put the key back, and I'll call Sam to get the payment. And then up here, got the stairs, and all right, cool, perfect. Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, guys, UV cure, UV cure. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Look how beautiful these floors look now. Oh man, with that rag coat, UV cure system. Guys, check it out. I got a UV, I got a UV next Monday, next Tuesday, next Wednesday, and I think, no, hold on. Thursday, I got a few projects going on next week with Raphael, and his guys are going to do some sanding jobs for me. But next Thursday, we do have a sanding job and a, let me see, because I just had to order more rag coat, more satin, because I only got like 2 gallons left. So I had to do like a 2-day rush because I didn't realize, because today I did an in-home consultation and he booked for Wednesday, UV cure with satin. Mike Beck, what is Mike Beck doing? Oh, he's doing UV cure too. 4 jobs next week, guys. All UV cure, because I'm going out of town next Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'll be back at it Monday, the first week of July. But man, these floors look amazing. Amazing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Also, the countertops, so nice and smooth, man. No fingerprints. All right. And also too, guys, you remember at the beginning of the video how the floors had just all those smudge marks, and you don't see that, none of that anymore. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful white oak floor. Now, one thing about white oak, you got to be very careful. That's why I like to dip, because it can do what they call a tanning, and the way it pulls in the finish. So I love the dip to keep those lines from showing. Because sometimes if you pour, it'll soak right in and you'll see those pour lines. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. It is still beautiful out here and coming. But I'm honestly, guys, I'm more closer to Swanee. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Go enjoy my weekend, the rest of my weekend. See you guys Monday. Thanks for watching.